Intermittent fasting, the secret everyone swears by for weight loss, might actually be doubling your risk of dying from heart disease. Yes, you heard that right. Today I am going to share what a shocking new study says about the 16-hour fasting trend. You should avoid it and how you can stay safe if you still want to try it. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will know whether intermittent fasting is your friend or your enemy. Here are the big questions we are answering today. What is the 16-hour intermittent fasting method? What does this new study actually say? Who is most at risk? Why can fasting for so long harm your heart? And how can you do it safely, if at all? So let's dive in. First thing first, what is intermittent fasting and why is everyone talking about the 16-hour rule? The most popular method is called 16:8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. People follow it to lose weight, improve insulin sensitivity, and even control blood pressure. Sounds good, right? But what if I tell you that this very trend could be silently damaging your heart? That's what the latest research claims. But what does this study really say? Let's find out. A recent study published in the journal Diabetes and Metabolic Syndrome found that people who ate for less than 8 hours a day had a 135% higher risk of dying from heart disease compared to those who ate for 12 to 14 hours. That's more than double the risk. The study analyzed data from 1900 adults using the US National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey. But here is the thing. Does this mean everyone who fasts is in danger, or are there specific groups more at risk? Let's see who needs to be extra cautious. Experts warn that intermittent fasting, especially the extreme 16-hour version, is not suitable for people with heart disease, diabetes, chronic conditions affecting the liver or kidneys, elderly people, children, or anyone with eating disorders. Even those with Alzheimer's should avoid it because fasting can lower blood sugar and cause palpitations, which may lead to heart attack. Now, this raises an important question. Why does fasting, which is supposed to be healthy, become so dangerous for the heart? The answer lies in how your body reacts to severe calorie restriction. Now, before we move ahead, I would love to hear from you. Have you ever tried intermittent fasting? Did it help or harm you? Drop your experience in the comments. I will be replying to the most interesting ones. When you fast for too long, your blood sugar levels can drop drastically, forcing your body to pump blood harder. This extra strain can cause palpitations, raise heart rate, and even trigger heart attacks in vulnerable individuals. But that's not the only problem. Extreme fasting can also lead to nutrient deficiencies, irritability, headaches, and even muscle loss. Speaking of muscle loss, you might be wondering, does weight loss from fasting at least make up for these risks? Let's clear that up next. Weight loss does happen, but here is the catch. It's not always healthy weight loss. You may lose lean muscle mass, and that's bad news for your heart because intermuscular fat can increase heart disease risk. Plus, if you eat junk food even within the 8-hour window, your cholesterol and triglycerides can still shoot up. So, should we just ditch intermittent fasting completely? Or is there a safer way to do it? That's what we will talk about next. Experts say if you really want to try intermittent fasting, don't go extreme. Stick to moderate eating windows like 10 to 12 hours and always consult your doctor before starting. Avoid it completely if you have any chronic health conditions. And most importantly, focus on balanced, nutrient-rich meals instead of skipping calories blindly. Remember, no diet is one size fits all. Your body needs personalized care. So, what do you think? Is intermittent fasting a healthy hack or a hidden risk? Comment below your thoughts. Do you think this study will change the way people look at fasting? Your comments motivate me to make more videos like this for you. If you have liked this video, I would encourage you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. You can also check out the videos that are on the screen if you have liked this video. They are also equally informative.